Hi friends, in today's transition tutorial, I am going to break down the tuck handstand press for you. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button to support this channel. And feel free to share this video with anyone you think may benefit from it. Please make sure that your body is nice and warmed up before attempting the press handstand. Now, for all press handstands, they're going to require compression, this ability to bring and suction in your thighs to your belly or to your collarbones. Compression takes a lot of time to adapt to, and it is a process. It's not going to happen overnight. You want to be able to connect your belly to your thighs in a Uttanasana, forward fold. Now, what's really nice about the tuck handstand press is, for me, I think that it is one of the most available press handstands to learn, especially when you are right at the beginning of learning how to come into the tuck handstand shape. Now, keeping that idea of compression in mind, you're going to imagine that your thighs are really glued in to your belly or your chest. Keep your gaze at the space between your wrists. And just breathe here for a moment, maybe even pulse up and down. Feel the hamstrings firing up here, the quads engaged. Maybe even lift your toes away from the earth, flexing your feet to really get the hamstrings active. Ooh, that is burning there. All right, from here, focus on your setup. You don't want your feet too far away from your hands. You want to keep your hands at least 3 inches away from your feet. The closer your feet are, the easier it is going to be for your body. And the body is going to want to use your energy efficiently. If your legs are too far back, you're going to use so much energy that your brain's not going to enjoy it. So, inhale. Now I'm going to show you 2 different ways to enter this. So from here, come up to your tippy toes, control your shoulders, left leg into the chest, followed by the right. Keep the legs towards the chest, feet active towards the glutes, and then slowly land down with control. Having that ability to drive one leg into the chest, followed by the other, is going to be really accessible when learning this movement practice, especially this transition. Now I'm going to show you what it's like when you lift up with both feet pressing into your glutes at the same time. You really want to imagine the feet driving into the glutes while your knees are driving towards your chest, towards your belly. That's going to help create that tight, compressed shape. That's going to make this a lot easier on our bodies. Don't focus too much on the lean forward. I want you to just keep imagining as if you're pressing your chest towards your legs, okay? Focusing too much on the lean forward, then you're going to have a hard time moving your shoulders back to the starting position. So take an inhale here. Flex the feet first, lifting the toes away from the earth, just to feel your hamstrings fire up there. Take an inhale through your nose, gaze between the wrists. On your exhale, come up onto your tippy toes. Drive the feet in towards your glutes, straighten up through the arms, ears towards shoulders. Slowly control your negative, your landing. This is a very fun press handstand transition to learn. And again, please don't focus too much on the lean forward. A lot of these press handstand tutorials will emphasize on that lean forward. However, as I said, the further your shoulders are away from your wrists, the harder it's going to be to bring the shoulders back to the starting position to find that stability. You want to be able to control that weight transfer from the legs into the hands. And as those legs drive into your glutes, keep pressing the ground away, resist the earth. What I love so much about the handstand practice is that it teaches us about our relationship to gravity and how to resist that gravity through the pushing of our arms, since our hands are acting like our feet when we are standing. If you have any more questions, and if you're looking for any more press handstand transitions, those are all going to be in the playlist titled Press Handstands in this YouTube channel. Please leave a comment if you have a question or that if you found your tuck press handstand. Thank you so much for practicing with me wherever in the world you may be. Have a beautiful day.